Glass skin routine sounds like the Koreans are taking skin care routine to an unrealistic standard. But, after doing some research on this new skin care routine that everyone and their mother seems to be talking about, we have realized that flawless skin is really not unachievable. What is Korean glass skin routine? Glass skin routine is a step-by-step guide to achieve flawless, dewy, and practically spotless glass-like skin. It starts with cleansing your skin, followed by a serum, lotion, moisturizer, and mist, all specifically formulated for your skin type. What sets this K-beauty regimen apart from the Western ones is that it does not make use of astringents but relies on hydrating ingredients that maintain the pH balance of your skin. It comes as no surprise that this beauty regimen has sent people all around the world in a tizzy. So, let's break down the steps to follow and the best products to use in the glass skin routine. Number 1. Cleansing double. Remove all your makeup using the double cleansing method. This method involves removing your makeup with an oil-based cleanser and washing your face with a water-based face wash. Choose a makeup remover and face wash that are specially formulated for your skin type and maintain the pH balance of your skin without drying it out. Number 2. Toning. Toning is a step most of us tend to take for granted, but it can make a huge difference in the long run. Cleansing opens up your pores and leaves them open if you do not follow it up with a toner. Use a gentle, non-alcoholic toner that closes your pores, softens your skin, restores its pH balance, and plumps it up. Number 3. Essence. Essence is the epicenter of the Korean skincare routine. The main ingredient of any essence is water. It falls somewhere between a serum and a lotion. It is light and extremely hydrating. It gets absorbed into your skin easily and brightens it instantly. Number 4. Serum. At this point, your skin care routine gets serious and is elevated to the next level. A serum does more than hydrating your skin, it evens out your skin tone, plumps up your skin, reduces fine lines, and maintains the moisture balance in your skin throughout the day. Use a serum that contains active ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, alpha-hydroxy acids (AHAs), or beta-hydroxy acids (BHAs). Number 5. Moisturize. A lot. Sometimes, the whole point of following a skin care routine is to moisturize your skin and find ways to keep it hydrated for the longest time. You need to use a moisturizer that is meant for your skin type, does not cause breakouts, and has a calming and brightening effect. Number 6. Foundation. Look for a medium coverage foundation that matches your skin type and skin tone. Don't use a matte finish foundation because it will work against the glassy dewy look that you're trying to achieve. Choose a foundation that is light, gel-based, blends easily, and has a mild illuminating effect. Number 7. Highlighting lotion. Highlighting is the last step of the glass skin routine before you move on to your makeup. A highlighting lotion helps bring out the defining features of your face by adding a subtle glow and lustrous finish. There's no denying that the glass skin routine is pretty tedious. So, imagine going through all that trouble and not seeing any visible results. That would break your heart, wouldn't it? This usually happens when you use low-quality products. To prevent this tragedy from occurring, Healthy Me combined the best products that you can use while following this skin care routine. Check them out in description. What methods do you usually use for your brightened skin? Share your recipes in the comments. On what topics you want us to make our next video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications about our new videos.